SecuriCode Keyless Entry Keypad is a feature that allows you to lock and unlock the driver's door or passenger doors, or access the cargo area without using the key fob. The SecuriCode Keyless Entry Keypad stays hidden until you touch it on the driver's side B pillar, which illuminates it to make it easy to see and touch the keypad numbers. A 5-digit master code is factory set, although you may also create and use your own 5-digit personal code as well. Up to 5 individual codes can be programmed. To unlock the driver's door, enter the master or personally set 5-digit code by pressing each number within 5 seconds of each other. To unlock all doors, enter the code, then press 3-4 button within 5 seconds. To lock all doors, press and hold 7, 8, and 9, 0 at the same time for 2 to 3 seconds. The keypad will go into an anti-scan mode if the wrong code is entered several times. You can retry after 1 minute of inactivity. To update and save a personal code, enter the 5-digit master code, press 1-2 on the keypad for 5 seconds, enter your personal 5-digit code within 5 seconds of completing step 2, press 1-2 to save personal code 1 on the keypad. The doors will lock, then unlock to confirm a successful programming. To program additional codes, follow steps 1 through 3, then for step 4. Press 3-4 to save personal code 2, 5-6 for personal code 3, and so on. To erase a personal code, enter the 5-digit master code, press and release 1-2 on the keypad within 5 seconds, press and hold 1-2 for 2 seconds within 5 seconds of completing step 2. All personal codes are erased. The 5-digit factory set master code cannot be erased, so it'll work even after deleting all personal codes. When you take delivery of your vehicle from your Lincoln retailer, the factory set master code is located on a card in the glove box. If you misplace the card, there are instructions on how to retrieve the master code in your vehicle's owner's manual, or you can contact Lincoln Concierge for additional assistance. Thank you for watching.